everyone. This is Cherie, independent designer with Couture. I'm doing a technique here. I'm going to call marbling. I'm using 3 different colors of green: your lime, your evergreen, and mint green. And then take a squeegee and just swipe across. You can kind of see the 3 colors in there. And then with the new color I created, I am going to do the dots on the top and the bottom and the 4-leaf clovers. When I get done with that, I'm going to take this off and clean it up and get ready to use it again later after this chalk has dried on the project. In the meantime, we're going to do clovers on the side. I'm going to use the same 3 colors: mint, evergreen, and lime green. Only instead of the squeegee, I'm going to use my finger this time and just go in a swirling motion. So easy! Ta-da! I love the reveal. It's cool. Now I'm going over to the other side. Do the same thing with the same 3 colors and use my finger to swirl around. This really is easy to do. Yep, works every time, just like a charm. Now I'm going to get the original transfer, put it back on here, line it up with the words I chalked before. This time, who needs, when you've got this much, I'm going to chalk in white. Goes on pretty fast when you're doing one color like this at a time. You always want to make sure that you work fairly fast because you don't want the chalk to dry on your transfer. It could pull off, which it's doable. You can fix it, but if you can do it once, that's cool too. So I'm pulling this off up to the charmed part, and be careful you don't do sticky to sticky side. It can be fixed with water, but it's a little bit of a job. I'm doing the charm in mustard yellow. Scrape off the excess again, and then we take it off. Ta-da!